Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Deja. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, like I said, my name is Deja, and today I'm going to be showing this quick and easy makeup look that I'm doing. Of course, I'm starting off with some primer by Maybelline. Next, I'm going to take my brown mascara and use it as a brow gel. Let me tell you, this is a secret gem that I like to use, but if you decide to use it at home, please be careful with it because my eyebrows were so dark and bushy by the end of the day. I put way too much of this on simply because, as you can see, I can't tell that anything is happening. But as it sets in throughout the day and dried, I guess, my eyebrows were so bushy. But that's kind of the look I'm going for because I feel like I waxed them too thin the other week, so I'm not too happy with them. So right now I'm just trying to grow them out. So I fill them in with the brown mascara. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. concealer and I am going to apply that under my eye, bridge of my nose, moustache, chin, under my brow and above my brow, following my natural brow arch and that natural brow bone. And then blend it out, followed by some lip tint. And then I'm going to take my black mascara and apply it to my eyelashes. So I'm just shaping my brow up. If you are a beginner, I would definitely recommend using a small angled brush to shape your brows. I then get my damp beauty blender and just blend down. And then I blend up depending on the direction I'm going. I know I'm going pretty fast. I'm just used to it. So for example, under the brow, go down. Above the brow, go up. Under the eye, go down. Above the eye, go up. Just want to make sure it's all blended smoothly. So I really didn't put any other makeup with this. I just wanted a natural look, like, oh, she has makeup on. But it's not like, oh my God, she has makeup on. You know, just a little something. That's all. And I can't tell which tint that is, but it's by Benefit. And that lasted me all day. I worked from 9 to 3. Well, it's 8 o'clock right now. So 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock. I was very shocked that lasted all day. I was very happy with that. What am I doing next? Okay, so now I'm doing the mascara. I'm bringing y'all close to see how I apply my mascara. And if you don't know how to apply mascara or you need help, here's a quick little tutorial. Go to the bottom of the lash, kind of close to the root of your eyeball, and just do quick little brushes. Like just brush it against, or you can also blink. I should demonstrate in a few seconds here. Just blink and it'll apply for you as well. This mascara is by e.l.f. and it's not as voluminous as I would like it to be, so I don't recommend it. But if you're just wanting a natural, this will do. But this didn't give me the look I was going for. I'd rather use the Maybelline one. But yeah, like I said, this was by e.l.f. It just gave me a little something. It didn't really enhance my lashes or make them darker, in my opinion. So it's not one of my favorites, but it did the job for today. So as you can see, like I said, back to the tutorial. Here I am blinking, trying to get more volume in my lashes, but it just wasn't doing what I needed to do. But if you just keep reapplying and applying, it should go for you. But oh, it's over. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you're still listening, I will be posting a longer tutorial. So definitely make sure you subscribe. And if you got this far, leave a purple heart emoji. Ha ha ha.